American Idol finalist Willie Spence sings in Jeep shortly before fatal crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. American Idol runner-up Willie Spence shared a video of himself singing in his Jeep shortly before a fatal crash that claimed a 23-year-old life. The 23-year-old singer lost his life when his Jeep left the roadway and collided with the back of a tractor trailer that was stopped on the hard shoulder near Tennessee, said a report from the Tennessee Highway Patrol and the Marion County Medical Examiner. Willie Spence, who was from Georgia, finished second behind Beckham on the 19th season of the American Idol last year. Willie Spence and the driver of the tractor trailer, who is aged 68 years old, were both wearing their seatbelts at the time of the accident. In a post on the official Twitter account of American Idol, they wrote, "We are devastated about the passing of our beloved American Idol family member, Willie Spence. He was a true talent who lit up every room he entered and will be deeply missed. We send our condolences to his loved ones." So that was an official post on the official Twitter account of American Idol. According to Marion County Medical Examiner Barbara O'Neill, said that the cause of his passing was multi-system trauma due to the motor vehicle accident, and that Spence succumbed to injuries at the scene of the crash. A spokesperson for the Tennessee Highway Patrol Department said that an agency is investigating why Spence's car veered off the roadway. We here at Links 007 TV just want to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.
Your place, your love got me so good. Your love got me so good, so good. Hey, thank y'all.
Hey, let me get an acapella. Get an acapella real quick.
Oh, I give you all if you give me all of you, babe. You give me all if I give you all of me, babe. Will remain the same.
What we telling you?
Hey, put your hands together.
Let's go.
I give you all if you give me all of you, babe.
What else?
You give me all if I give you all of me. Say without a doubt, no one can ever take your place. Your love got me so good. Your love got me so good. you fall. When you break down, be ready for a breakthrough. Sometimes you take a loss. Sometimes you end up losing your way. Temporary situations. When you break down, be ready for a breakthrough. And if you want to hear more of that, I have some exciting news to share with you. First off, I am Willie Spence, runner-up of season 19 of American Idol. I will be performing for the first time ever in London, November 12th of this year. You guys don't want to miss it. Make sure you get your tickets on Eventbrite and look up Willie Spence. And I will be headlining my first ever concert out of the country. And I am excited. I'm extremely grateful and I'm honored. And I just cannot wait to meet. This is everything. I cannot wait to meet all of my UK fans. It's just a dream come true. So you guys, please make sure you purchase your tickets on Eventbrite. Willie Spence will be in London, November 12th, 2022. Can't wait to see you guys there. Peace. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, Aaron. I remember you saying, sometimes it hurts to love, sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it hurts to love, sometimes. Got to tell you how you thrill me. I'm happy as I can be. You have come and it's changed my whole world. Bye-bye, sadness. Hello, mellow. What a wonderful day. It's so amazing to be loved. I follow you to the moon and the sky above. Oh, I go, and it's so amazing, amazing. I could stay forever, forever.